For real friends, all about that real pet play, and especially what we want is what's real for the girl. So for fall, we have Star Lily, my magical unicorn. She's the first unicorn in the For Real friend line. She has sensors in her cheeks, under her chin, in her horn, and in her mouth. She has this beautiful long hair for fun hair play for girls. She can move her front right hoof, unfurl and flap her wings. She does make the sound like she is munching on food. She can do over 100 different sound and movement combinations, so the more you play with her, the more combinations you can unlock and see from her. And she has that beat detection and sound recognition, so she knows when you are trying to talk to her and she'll respond differently to you. Yeah, and her horn will turn all different magical colors, maybe depending on her mood. And there is going to be an app available in the fall. It's a free download app. It's an interactive app, so you can do different things, kind of like Go-Go last year. You can do things like you can feed her from the app, you can maybe give her a shower from the app. So let's say I was going to take her to Sugarberry Orchards, I could slide off a strawberry to her, or I could touch her horn, cast magic back into the app, and sometimes maybe she can turn it into an ice cream sundae. And who doesn't love a good sundae every once in a while? So does anybody want to come up and touch her? Anybody?